Hello, welcome to Hirwa SMTS. I am going to share you the best tips can you give to your child. First one is quality time. Your presence is needed, provision is also in providing time. Second one is unconditional love. Show your child no judgment, no rejection, or that he or she has to do certain things to earn your love. Don't compare your child with others. Third gift you can give to your children are allow your child to grow into phase of life. Don't expect your child to reason like you, yet you have no experience. Don't rob your child his or her childhood or teenagerhood. Let your child carve his or her own identity. Fourth one, a stable home. Nothing stresses a child more than a home where mommy and daddy are in turmoil, or where a single parent is erratic and abusive. Give your child a safe haven. Fifth one is unit. Parent together as a couple. Show your child teamwork. Sixth one is pride of support. Deliberately do things to show support, such as cheering on, giving of success cards, bragging about your child in public, being present in landmark moments, and affirming your child. Seventh one is a vision. Guide your child into having a vision. A vision is your child's why. Why go to school, why work hard, why push goals and others. Don't just tell your child what to do. Help him or her get their personal why. Eighth one is encouragement. Be your child's biggest cheerleader. When he or she fails, help the child up. Be your child's inspiration. Discriminate is the enough one. Cultivate a value system in your child so that he or she can choose what is right even in moments you are not around. 10th one is discipline. Teach your child self-control, how to stay the course. Self-control is a muscle. The more your child practices it, the better your child becomes at it, good at it. A good education is 11th one. Take your child to the best schools you can afford. If you are able to get a sponsorship, do it. Buy books and share content that breeds. If you give up your child a digital device, we direct your child to sites that lead to growth. Make learning fun. Expose your child to different ideas through travel. Push boundaries. Productive tradition. Every family has its own traditions. Make sure you only practice what is good for the family and the child. Not every aspect of man-made culture should be transferred to the next generation. Patient and understanding. Don't give up on your child. Be aware that nurturing takes time. Don't expect it too much too soon. Avoid driving your child into depression to impress you. 14th one is a listening eye. You should be fast personal your child runs to. Be easy to talk to. Be approachable. Far too many children are suffering in silence yet with parents. 15th one is wisdom. Share with your children life lessons you have picked along the way. Your children should not struggle the way you did or make the mistakes you did. Fond memories. This is 16th one. Family is about shared experience. Give your child good ones, not trauma. 17th one is holistic foundation. Show your child life is more than good grades. To teach your children how to handle and create wealth, how to socialize, how to be emotionally intelligent, how to solve problems, how to grow close to God, how to take care of his or her body, raise him or her well. Next one is a good community. Surround your child with right type of people. This means choosing friends who are pro-family, friends who are good role models, friends who can mentor and be good connection for your child. The 10th one is inheritance. Give your child a head start in life. Store up value to that offer to your child. And the last one is a good name. Live honorably so that your child will be proud to call him or herself of yours. Thank you. I have chosen to share this policy to you in this life, to offer these gifts to your child. If you have a child, give them this gift to him or her. And if you are expecting to have them, please, you should give them this gift for him or her. Thank you. It is your channel Hirwa SMTS. Thank you.